Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up, test and review the Lumary Smart Floodlight. Hopefully this video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box there is the Lumary Floodlight, the start guide and the instruction manual. Now let's have a close look at the floodlight. This is a 30-watt light. It's made of glass material and aluminium alloy. It's IP66 waterproof technology, so it can sustain rain and snow. It means you can use it in your garden or on your driveway. The grooves on the back of the floodlight help with heat dissipation. You can easily mount it to the ceiling or to the wall using the handle, and you can adjust the position of the light to your preferred angle. Now let's set it up to show you how it works. First, download and install the Lumary app or Smart Life app on your phone. So go to Play Store or App Store and type Lumary in the search box. Now tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. I already have one, so I will just log in. Now tap on Add Device. Make sure lighting is selected from the left-hand side, then select Light Source, BLE plus Wi-Fi. Power on the device. The floodlight will start blinking. Now tap on Confirm the light is blinking rapidly. Then tap Next. Allow the app to access your device's location. Select your Wi-Fi from the list and input its password. Then tap Next. It will take a few seconds for your light to be registered on the cloud. My light was added successfully. Now tap Done. You can now control your floodlight with the app, so you can turn it off or turn it on. Now swipe towards the right. Here you can change the color of the light by moving your fingers around the circle. You can also increase or reduce the brightness. Now tap on Scene. There are also 38 predefined scene modes you could choose from, such as night light, ocean and forest, for example. Now tap on Music. Here the light will change its color with the music beats detected on the microphone of your phone. All you need to do is play music in the background and tap Start on the app. Now tap on Settings. Here you have additional settings such as setting a plan, schedule, timer, rhythms or power on behavior. You can also control your floodlight using Amazon Alexa. To turn it off, you can say Alexa, turn off garden light. To turn it on, just say Alexa, turn on garden light. To change the color, just say Alexa, change garden light to blue. To change the brightness, just say Alexa, increase garden light brightness. You can also control it using Google Home. To turn it off, you can say, Hey Google, turn off garden light.
Okay, turning off the garden light.
To turn it on, just say, Hey Google, turn on garden light.
All right, turning the garden light on.
To change the color, just say, Hey Google, change garden light to purple.
Got it, changing the garden light to purple.
To change the brightness, just say, Hey Google, reduce garden light brightness.
Sure, dimming the garden light.
Now let's test it in the garden. As you can see, I'm pouring water on it without any issues. The different colours give an excellent atmosphere to my garden. Overall, this is a great product for your garden or patio. My next step is to hang it on the wall to make it permanent in my garden. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.